How to delete Discord server on iPhone. To get started, open the Discord app on your iPhone. From the left sidebar, tap on the server icon you want to remove. The channel view opens, then at the top, tap on the server name to bring up the server menu. On the menu that appears, tap on Settings to enter server settings. Here, you can review options and customize details. Go to the Settings section and tap on Overview. Scroll to the very bottom of the page and tap on the Delete Server option. A confirmation pop-up appears explaining that this action will permanently remove the server for all members. Read the message, then tap on Yes to confirm and finalize. The app returns to your servers list, and the removed server no longer appears. This deletion cannot be undone, so ensure you selected the correct server before confirming. Following these steps, you can easily delete Discord server on iPhone.